Hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. My name is Ratan. So we are discussing Python entry questions, right? Fifth question. Okay, so the fifth question, what is the meaning of dynamically typed language? So what is the meaning of what? So dynamically typed language. Okay, so what is the meaning of what dynamically typed language and how to check the type of the data? What is the meaning of dynamically typed language? How to check the type of the data, right? Exactly. Because the meaning of dynamically typed means if you take other languages, because other languages every variable, every variable must declare the data type, right? Must declare the data type actually. Other languages every variable must declare the data type. For example, int num1 equal to 100, int num2 equal to 200, right? Exactly like this. Python is what type of language? Python is, can you guess Python is what? Python is dynamically typed language. Python is what? Dynamically typed language, right? Dynamically typed language means what? No need to declare the data type. Okay, no need to declare what? Data type, right? Exactly. Because Python is dynamically typed language, no need to declare the data type. It will take the type automatically runtime. Dynamically means what? Runtime. Guys, dynamically typed means runtime, it will take the type automatically. Other languages every variable must declare the data type, but in Python dynamically typed language, so no need to declare the data type, right? Guys, so no need to declare the data type. Something like you can take the num1 equal to 100, no problem. You can take the num2 equal to what? 200, right? It is enough. Sir, you are saying that Python is dynamically typed, it will take the type automatically at runtime. That's okay, but how to check the type of the data? Because to check the type of the data, use type function. Because to check the type of the data, use type function. So here even the num1 equal to 100 means don't think like data type is not there. Data type is present actually. Dynamically typed means we are not defining the data type. Data type is taking runtime automatically. Sir, show me one example, sir. Guys, to do that, let me open the Python online compiler. Yeah, to open the Python browser window, just you can type the Python online compiler REPL. Yes, this is the REPL. Fine. Guys, there we can write a small to just variable declaration part. Okay, something like num1 equal to 10. This is by default integer type. Num2 equal to 20.4. This is by default float type in Python. Name equal to what? Ratan. This is a string type. Status equal to what? True. This is a boolean type. In boolean, T must be, starting character should be capital, T must be capital, and what? F means false, false means F must be capital. To check the type of the data, because to check the type of the data, use type function. Because use which function? Type function, right? Very good. Come here, let me write the print of type of what? Type of what? Type of num1. Simply can take the type of num1, type of num2, type of name, and last one is what? Type of what? Status, right? Exactly. Because if you run this code, see the output now. Tell me, type of num1. Type of num means what? Integer type. Type of num2, float type. Type of num3, string. Generally, other languages we have the string, but in Python, the data type is what? Str data type. Because in Python, the data type is what? Str. Boolean status, right? This is like we have the bool type. Because boolean means what? We have the type is bool, right? Yes. I think you got the clarity, right? So to check the type of the data, we can use which function here? Type function. So you got the point, right? Yeah, something like simply can write the print of type of 10. We can do like this also, not a problem. Type of 10 means 10 is by default what type? Means integer type. See, if you write the print of type function, guys, to check the type of the data 10.5, run this code, you got the float type. I think the question is clear, right? Fifth question. What is fifth question, guys? What is the meaning of dynamically typed means? In other languages, every time we must define the data type. In Python, data type declaration not required because Python is dynamically typed. So, no need to declare the data type. At runtime, it will take the data type, right? Because at runtime, it will take the type automatically. It will take the type automatically, right? Don't think like type is not there. Type is there, but the type will take data type automatically at runtime. To check the type of the data, that variable is what type of data, we can use a type function. Type function is a frequently used function, guys, because application point of view, how to check what type of data is coming. To check the type of the data, you can go for what type function basically. You got the point, right? Yes. Okay, that is the fifth question, guys. I think you are maintaining the book, right? In the book, try to add all the questions. So you will get the Python 100 entry questions mostly. Yeah, thank you, guys. Next video we will meet.